Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this Diagnostic World video. It's a real short video, just basically showing you the iCarsoft MHM version 1.0 kit. In this Honda vehicle we have the check engine light. Don't worry about the other warning lights, we're focusing on the check engine light, which is there and intermittently coming on there. The kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. So you can see we've got the kit plugged into the diagnostic port here, and a real quick way, there's the check engine light there, a real quick way to get into the check engine codes is just by clicking the OBD2 or eOBD section here. So we'll just click into that. It's telling us straight away code found 2, mil status is on, that's a malfunction indicator light. We can go straight in as quick as you like just to get into reading the codes. P0352. Ignition coil B, primary secondary circuit. So it's a problem with the ignition coil on cylinder 2. So we've replaced the ignition coil, in fact, put a new coil in. What we need to do now is basically just erase the codes to get rid of the check engine light and the warning lights and the warning codes here. So we'll click on to erase codes. Now it's telling us make sure ignition is on with engine off, so we'll just simply turn the engine off but make sure the ignition is on. And we're going to click continue to that. And once I've done that, the check engine light has disappeared straight away there, in fact. Emission related diagnostic information has been erased. So what we'll do is we'll just simply come out of this, turn everything off, and then we'll turn the engine back on just to make doubly sure. And there we go, we're just left with the TPMS, which we know there's a problem with, but the check engine light ultimately has gone out. So the kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'll put the link to this kit, as I say, in the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.